In this video, we're going to talk about our radio panel, which you'll see over here on the right side of our CAD system. We have 7-channel radio system, and one of the challenges is for dispatchers is that they are commonly called upon to monitor more than one channel at the same time, which can be very, very difficult. So I want to explain how this panel works so that you can do that if it comes up during some of the incidents where you're a dispatcher during scenarios. So when you first join in, it'll default to channel 7. You see the channel 7 is powered up. The volume knob can be set to wherever you want it to be, and the mouse select is selected, which is our right click. So just like when you're not at the dispatch center and you're just using a portable radio, the right click button on your mouse transmits. As you can see, the push to talk is lit up now. We can also transmit by simply moving our mouse down and then left clicking on this push to talk. And this is where this comes in handy. Let's say that channel 7 is the primary channel that we're working on, but we're also called upon to monitor channel 1. So we're going to mouse over the power button, turn the power on. It takes about a second for it to light up, get the volume at a comfortable level, and now we can hear both of them. And you can mix these at whatever volume you want. So we're mostly talking on channel 7, and so I'm going to leave my right click there, and then when I need to talk on channel 7, I can just right click no matter where my mouse is. But if I need to talk on channel 1, I can real quickly mouse up here, click push to talk, and as long as I'm holding down, I can transmit on channel 1. And you can do that with as many channels as you need to turn on and monitor. You can actually turn on all 7. I don't recommend it. I've done it before. It's very difficult to keep up with, but whatever you need to do, you can turn on and power those channels up. If, let's say, channel 3, in this case we have channel 1, channel 3, and channel 7 turned on, maybe channel 3 is the primary one that we're talking on. So to set your right click to that is we're just going to click this mouse select button, and you see that it's turned it off of 7. And so now when I right click anywhere over here, I light up on channel 3 and transmit on channel 3. And so that's all there is. Now, one strategy that I've used is I tend to keep the volume up on my primary channel, and then I turn it down a little bit on the other channels so that when I hear them at that different volume level, it helps me identify that it's not my primary channel. The other thing that happens is the channel name where it says channel 3 here, when it's receiving, it actually lights up green. So you get a visual indication when there's incoming traffic on those channels. And that's all there is to the radio panel.